TikTok viral videos. Alright, y'all, I am playing around with OBS and trying to figure this whole reaction video thing out. So, for us newbies who are learning together, let's see how it goes and let's share. Let's share our tips and tricks and ideas and learn together, because I am winging it here and I'm basically just playing with different features until I get it right. I don't want to do any viral dancing. Get the cute little baby. TikTok viral videos. I don't know what to put in, guys. TikTok viral story. Maybe story videos. This seems to be very limited, so that ain't gonna work. Just playing around with OBS because I'm reading some things, watching some videos about having the two monitors or using your cell phone or iPad or whatever in addition. Right now, we're just focusing on navigating OBS. That's what we're doing. Just we want to get comfortable with OBS and all its different features. So this is where I'm at right now, guys. I'm just tiptoeing. It's moving a little slow, but it's moving. It's progress. So I don't know. We'll just do, I guess, YouTube videos, because TikTok is not giving what I want it to give. YouTube news. Let's try that. And I had to get my daughter to help me a little bit before she left. I'm just getting to being able to actually open the camera, put it next to the browser screen, and actually be able to use the browser while the camera is working. That's where we are. So if I seem stuck or confused, it's because I am. I am. Very. But learn with me. Come and learn with me. And for all you professionals, all you pros, comment and let me know what's going on, what I need to do, how I can speed up this process. Anything that can help me to make this go quicker, better, more effective, please feel free. Leave it in the box. And subscribe to my channel so that you all can come and learn with me and we can share different ideas. I don't know know how to move past this because I don't want to look at Fox News. So I guess maybe let's try the home page and see what happens. My grandbaby is here, so we got some kid stuff coming up, and I don't want to look at that. But I'm pressing the scroll button, and it's not letting me scroll. So let's see what happens here. That's just moving my OBS screen. When I click on the right scroll bar. So that's not it. Let's see what this is. Let's just click on this so we can at least move this screen to some different video options and see. No, that's not working. Oh, okay, interact. I forgot my daughter said hit the interact button. Okay, now the video is moving. Let's see if I can open the video. Okay, here we go. We might be doing something.
This simple mistake could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you have been in a car accident within the last year. Not many people know this, but if you have been in a car accident, even as a passenger, you could be owed a major cash payout. If your accident happened in the last year, you might be entitled to a significant payout.
So this is what we.
I'm here on a job, right? And I guess this lady right here says I smell like marijuana, but I don't even smoke. I literally just took a drug test, so I'm trying to figure out what exactly is her purpose of telling me to step outside.
I said, sir, you smell of smoke. Can you please step outside?
I don't smoke.
Okay.
I'm actually an athlete. So.
Okay.
Right, I'm here for a company, mind you, a job that I'm working. So I'm trying to figure out what exactly is your basis of. Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go.
Now you got nothing to say, apparently.
Well, you're recording me on social media, and I'm gonna ask you not to.
Well, that's my right. That's you know what I mean. I have the right to do that. I didn't attack you, nothing like that. But
I didn't say you did. I just said I smell you, and I smell.
I don't smoke. I said that 3 times.
And I said, could you please step outside?
Why would I have to step outside if I don't smoke?
You refuse to step outside.
Why would I have to step outside if I don't smoke?
I don't know how to overlay my video.
This is my opinion, true Karen. It did not stop there. It actually continued. She once again tells the man, well, step outside, doesn't give up. Here it is.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Why would I have to step outside if I don't smoke?
I said, I see you smell of marijuana. Could you please?
I don't smoke.
You okay?
I don't smoke. So it's like some underlying like racism or something. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Pretty much everything.
I don't think that
This is
the issue.
So what's the issue?
I just said you smell of smoke. Could you please step outside?
That's your opinion. I'm here for a job to work for a company. You're sorry to break down to you, but you're a manager. So you telling me to leave because I smell like smoke is not. What basis is that for me to not?
Please step outside.
You keep saying, "Can I please step outside?" This is literally interfering with
I understand
what I'm doing.
Yep. Put it up full mass. I see what's going on here. Karen, there are better ways to ask for marijuana in the community. If you wanted to smoke, all you had to do was just ask.
You all will see it in this video, okay?
Okay? You got to stop doing this, Karen. We know what you like to do. We know. Okay? You were going to confiscate it. Take it off his persons. Yeah, this is weird-ish. All right. I just need you to step outside. You smell like marijuana. Me and you need to go outside together. I mean, what you think going on?
she sounds like a crazy person, right? Because she keeps repeating the same thing over and over and over again. Not only does she sound crazy, but things like that can make someone crazy to hear and on the other end of, you know, if I'm trying to have a conversation with someone and all they can do is repeat the same thing back to me over and over and over again. First of all, I don't think you're very smart. Second of all, she said that he refused.
Now I can stop it and restart it.
To leave whenever she asks him to step outside. Why does he have to listen to her? Like, who is she? He's supposed to be in the building. He has a right to be in the building. He doesn't have to leave. If she doesn't like the way he smells, regardless of what he smells like, that's not a reason for him to be removed from the premises. You can't just be like, you smell bad, you should get out. And then if that person doesn't do so, like, that's a problem. None of it makes any sense. It is entitlement. Maybe she just wanted to have that conversation that you were alluding to and didn't want to do it in front of her other colleagues.
Yeah.
She's embarrassed. She has a habit that she's ashamed of. Whether or not she should be, I don't think she should be ashamed of it.
Well, yeah, not a...
I hit the enter button. Let's see what happens. Okay. So it's giving. It's giving. Okay. Next 12. Let's see. So now my challenge is being able to be here where I am now. And this is a little, I guess because this news is horizontal options, but I don't know why or how I'm going to be able to, you know, normally you can scroll up and down vertically, rather. I have to figure that out because when I try it, it's basically moving the OBS screen, not YouTube, the actual YouTube videos. So that's something that I'll take note of as well. I'm just excited that I even made it this far. Thank God for kids. You know what I'm saying? God. I'm glad that I asked her before she left because I knew she was about to leave. And I said, you know what? Let me just ask. Doesn't hurt to ask. And she figured it out. So I made a little progress thanks to my daughter. She's 27. And she's in school for cybersecurity. So she's always been like a little baby genius. Okay, Angie Stone. Let's try. This one is 56 seconds. How long is this one? I can't see it. I wish I could scroll down to see. I don't know if you all can see my arrow, my search arrow. Let's try this one. Let's see what happens. Do I need to click it? Did I click it? Okay. I clicked it, guys. I'm sleepy. I'm ready to go to bed. And I said, you know what? Let me be productive. I had a car breakdown today.
Upgrade to Google Fiber and pay one simple bill every month.
What about extra fees like installation?
Taken care of.
Equipment?
No.
Data overages?
There's no such thing. Find out if your address is eligible.
So I was like, I'm not closing my
R&B
eyes.
singer Angie Stone has died in a car crash. We're told she had just finished a concert in Mobile, Alabama Friday, was heading to Atlanta when the van she was riding in crashed. It's still not clear why they crashed or how the other people in the van are doing. The Grammy-nominated artist was known for songs like Wish I Didn't Miss You and No More Rain. She was also a member of the female hip-hop trio The Sequence. Angie Stone was 63 years old.
That hurts. Stings.
Thousands traveled to Baltimore for the annual Central Intercollegiate Athletic Association Championship game. But amid the excitement came a sobering moment when it was learned singer Angie Stone didn't make it herself.
We've lost an icon.
It was very sad to hear that she passed, especially knowing that she was on her way here to perform.
The R&B singer died early Saturday morning after a Sprinter van she was traveling in flipped over and was later hit by a big rig 5 miles south of Montgomery, Alabama.
For all attendees, that was shocking to say the least, but also a reminder of how precious life is.
You know, being surrounded by all this Black excellence at the moment and then hearing, you know, tragic news about someone else that's a part of, you know, Black excellence. So it's definitely very tragic and very unfortunate.
Instead of hearing her music at the CFG Arena, fans held a moment of silence led by CIAA chaplain pastor Jerome Barber.
Say I love you to the people around you. Hug someone, smile at someone, tell the young people, hey, life is not promised that you will see your senior years or your later years. Take advantage of today.
The singer was best known for her songs like Wish I Didn't Miss You and No More Rain. Tributes have continued to pour in over the weekend. Actor Jamie Foxx on Instagram saying, I know that God doesn't make any mistakes, but man, this one hurts. And singer Jennifer Hudson on X calling Stone a true pioneer and saying another one of our great soul singers gone too soon. And though that may be true, her influence lives on.
The person who they know that can sing studied Angie Stone. Okay, they are literally an acorn off the tree of Angie Stone and her style. So whether it be SZA, whether it be Summer Walker or someone of them,
has not been released. In Baltimore, Blair Sable, WMAR 2 News.